Hey, what's up, fam? My name is Brehon. I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel where we love to focus on our own personal financial development. Family, it is early in the morning. I am in lovely Cancun, traveling on vacation, and I am loving Cancun. Beautiful white sun, crystal clear water, beautiful weather. Man, Cancun is a beautiful place. Now, in 2007, I remember after reading the book Think and Grow Rich, it taught me how to set clear goals and how to attack those goals, right? And so I remember in 2007, I set a goal for myself. I wanted to earn six figures, right? I wanted to earn six figures in 2007. And after working, hard, relentlessly on my goals, I eventually earned six figures. And man, I realized that if I can do that, man, I can do almost anything, right? Coming from, an impoverished background, man, we thought making, $20 an hour was a great job. But ultimately, man, life is what you make it. You can achieve any goal, any dream that you work hard towards. Now, as I've gotten older, my goals have changed. Now, something that I love to do is vacation. There is absolutely nothing like vacation. And I set a goal in 2007 also that I wanted to visit a different country every year. So that's what I've done. Every year, I've been visiting other countries. Now, I've been to the point now where I'm actually visiting a couple of countries each year. But family, I'm going to set a new goal. I want to travel at least 4 times a year. That's going to be my new goal going forward. I want to travel as much as I can. I really want to enjoy life. And these are the type of things that we should be doing at this stage of our life. Now, some people, may want to just travel domestically. Me personally, I like to travel internationally, right? And one thing I love about traveling internationally is it gives me an opportunity to see how other people are living. It gives me opportunities to check out new beaches, new environments, new cultures, new foods. It's just beautiful to me to experience. And visiting all of these different places, it motivates me, it inspires me. It gives me the ability to work harder, not actually harder, but to work smarter to ensure that I continue doing these things for the rest of my life. Now, family, when you are in your 20s, you want to take as much risk as possible, right? It doesn't matter how many times you fail. It doesn't matter how many setbacks you have, how many roadblocks you have. That doesn't matter. In your 20s, you can fail as much as possible because you have no real responsibilities, right? You can continue taking those risks, right? But then as you start to settle down in your 30s as far as designing your career path, whether it's owning your own business or whether it's going to work for an employer, you want to spend your 30s and early 40s investing, and saving, maximizing your investments, doing your research, making sound investments. And again, one of the best investments that you can ever make is investing in the stock market and investing in index funds, right? Index funds or ETFs. On average, they're going to give you a return of about 10 to 11%. So you continue investing your money, compounded interest. Every 7 years, your money will double. So it's very, very important for you to invest at least 15% of your money. If you can't do 15% of your money, start with 5%, right? Start with 5%, then you can continuously bump your way up to 6%, 8%, 10%, right? And if you're lucky enough, you can position yourself, you can start saving at least 20% of your income. I think everyone should be saving at least 15% of your income. Now, if you can do that and make sound investments, right? You do all these things in your 30s. By the time you are in your mid to late 40s, that's when life is good. That's when life really gets good, right? You could begin to live that stress-free lifestyle. And when I talk about the stress-free lifestyle, I'm talking about really, really putting yourself in a position where you can enjoy life, where you can create a life or environment that's really, really low in stress, right? Stress managing stress, being able to handle with the difficulties and adversities of life. No matter what happens in life, no matter how good life goes, there's always something, right? There's always something to try to, dampen our joy, right? But we want to try to position ourselves where those type of things happen as least as possible, all right? And so I'm on that stage now, family, where I am in my mid-40s and I'm trying to live that stress-free lifestyle. I'm trying to manage that stress as far as having as little as possible. I'm trying to enjoy life, and mainly because I set myself up really well with making great investments, all right? So family, I hope this video added some value to you. Get out, travel, enjoy life, set some goals, set some mental, physical goals. And another thing I like to do is, I like to get up early in the mornings, because waking up early in the morning, I like to get up before most people, and I like to, ask myself a couple of questions, right? So one of the questions I always ask myself when I'm taking these morning walks is, are you happy, right? Are you happy with the way your life is going? And if you ask yourself specific questions, your mind, your brain will continue to start working and help bring you the answers to all your solutions, right? How can I improve myself mentally? How can I improve myself financially? How can I improve myself physically? Man, you start walking in the morning, you start asking yourself these questions, it will help develop your mindset and position you for success in all of those different areas, all right? Now, family, I'm out. I have some more enjoyment in Cancun that I want to partake in, but I hope you guys have a phenomenal week. And again, man, I send you love, I send you peace, and I send you blessings. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.